30 years I've been in this industry, and I have worked with many, many products. I've actually worked for two major beauty brands such as L'Oreal Professional and Paul Mitchell. And my goal as I continued on in my career, and as you all may know, I have my own product line, and I wanted to have really, really good high quality products. And this has been a long journey of trying new things, different manufacturers, different formulations, changes here, changes there, ups and downs. And I'm always trying to make my product better. And I'm always on the hunt for something new, something that is really going to be a home run. And today I want to bring you into my world of what I do when I'm testing a hair product, because it all comes down to me having to test it and approve it. Now, this is based off of me working on thousands of clients throughout my career. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and that's the biggest difference between myself and other brands where the owner or the influencer or the quote unquote hair guru has never picked up a pair of scissors in their life, but they're selling you on hair products. So my goal is to test something out to make sure that I'm delivering results as if I were using this on a client on a daily basis. What I'm trying to work on today, and it's been something that I've been really trying to get, is a taming cream. Now, I do have something called Success Paste, and that whole triple pack of Success Paste pregame and clutch. I'm really trying to change some of the formulas and redirect those in a different direction. And Success Paste really is the only kind of grooming cream that I have, which is like a light holding cream. Then you've got Shadow, which is again, somewhat of a matte type of pomade, like a grit pomade. It's a really good product, but I want something even lighter than that, and something that is all about control without your hair feeling, stiff or sticky, with good clean ingredients. It's all about just controlling the hair. So if you've got curly hair, you can work this in, and it's gonna control it. No frizz, no flyaways, just nice controlled hair. If you've got wavy hair, and also if you have straight hair, if you're looking for something just to kind of tame that hair down and have a light, very light hold, all about control once again, then this is what I'm testing today. So I've got this in my hands. This is the first, I just got this in the mail yesterday. This is the first time I'm going to be showing you this, and I'm gonna bring this mannequin head a little bit closer here. This is 100% straight hair. As you can see, the hair is very soft, and it's just gonna run through very easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to squeeze out a little amount there. This came out of the bottle fairly easily. I'm gonna work it through so it's got a really creamy consistency, which I like. I may have put too much in my hands. However, let's run this through. And this is the first time I'm doing this on the hair. So what's this doing? All right, it's working through very nicely. It actually feels really soft in the hair. Let's see what we got here. So it's giving it a very controlled, lived-in look. It's giving it a bit of a, not wet look, but like kind of wet look. So let's see how this is gonna take shape here. And what I'm looking for, and you can see what it's doing. So this actually looks like it'd be great for someone who's got really dry hair, somebody who wants something just to kind of work this back into their hair. Again, this is all about control. I'm not really focused on a ton of hold, just something to work the hair back and give it a little bit of structure, but while making the hair feel incredible. And I have to tell you, there's no frizz, there's no flyaways, and the more I work this in, you could see that it's actually creating a really nice effect in the hair. And look at that right through here. So I'm gonna work this through, and even if you have a couple of pieces come down, it actually looks really nice. So the hold level, I would probably say, is maybe like a 2, if that, a 2 to 3. But the control, I would say, is like a 9, because this is actually really taming, and taming at probably a 9 too. So it's getting rid of those flyaways. It's just something that if you want to just be able to lightly shape your hair without a ton of hold at all, and just something that looks really nice, really natural and soft, makes your hair feel really good, got clean ingredients, I think this could be a home run. It's got kind of like a light fruit, like not vanilla, but more of like a fruity type of fragrance. Something that smells like a very natural type of product. And this is, I'm thinking of positioning this in my legacy line, which is where like Sleek lives, my talc powder, kind of my OG products. I want to put this in that category, more of like the salon type of products, things that I started off my brand with. And I think this looks really well. It looks amazing. And as it's drying, again, I applied this just on fully dry hair while the product was very creamy, so it's still kind of drying into the hair. But I think as this takes shape, it's really, really gonna be a phenomenal product. So to me, what I'm looking for is if this product was doing something that I didn't like, oh, it's way too sticky, way too grippy. Oh, I would go back and see if I can have the formula change, make some adjustments. But a lot of times when I'm looking for something, I'm very specific with what I want right from the get-go. And that, again, comes down to me as a 30-year professional knowing the kind of results. And that's the biggest difference and benefit to working and with my products and kind of being in that ecosystem of the Salon Guy, is that you're getting quality products that I am making sure that I approve it and I would use it myself on your hair as a professional. So I think this is actually a home run. And the way this works is, first it comes down to how many units do I want, and obviously when you purchase more units, the cheaper it goes. Not all manufacturers are the same, right? And I have a few manufacturers, they're all very different. Some give volume discounts, some don't, but there's always trade-offs. So I have to think about how many units do I want, and then the packaging, the design, which I already have kind of like the layout that I want for the design. And then it comes down to how long is this gonna take? This could take like 3-4 months to even produce these. So, and it is made in the United States, which is good. And it's something I think I really do want to launch. And let me know if you enjoyed seeing this behind the scenes. If this is a product that you would really be interested in, because it's something that I really have wanted for a long time. I've tried doing it in the past. It's just been difficult, right? And I think this could be a home run. And I'm excited to keep you all posted about it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.